Hello, Göran.
Hi.
And welcome to this interview.
Yeah.
Could you please introduce yourself briefly?
I'm a head of management consulting within EG and have quite a lot of experience in these fields we're going to talk about. So.
Okay, thank you. If you think about the manufacturing companies and the manufacturing industry, with your experience, what is the main challenges the manufacturing companies are now facing?
Several things, of course, but one thing is the speed. The speed is increasing, and that's nothing new under the sun there, but it's increasing, and the new technology is there, which is also drive the increase of speed in the whole thing. So that is one challenge, which I think. The other thing is processes that have, which is today maybe not the most effective one. So and they don't challenge it maybe enough. Of course, then there are other more environmental things, which is there. The business around the sort of the world, if I say so, meaning that Trump is one guy who has an impact, and what does that mean to that? So there is a lot of other things in the environmental of the business, if I say so.
If you think about the digital landscape and digital trends and digital hype, and from the manufacturing company's perspective, which are the most interesting technologies now what is emerging?
I think 3D printing is one, artificial eye and so on is also there. But I don't think that the company should rush into this. I think they have to learn along the way, if I say so. Take small steps and learn along the way.
Good. Can you give advice for those companies who have not yet started the transformation to digital? What would you recommend them? How would you say?
Depends on the maturity of the company, of course, and the maturity of their business they are operating in. That is very important parameters to go in there. But if we leave that if we leave that one, I think that it is be cool, take it easy, don't sort of rush into things because you probably sort of buy things that you don't are able to receive in your organization. So take it a little bit easy, build a roadmap which you have afford in terms of capacity, in terms of to be able to achieve.
Thank you. Thank you, Göran.
Thank you.